In this video, we are going to learn how to make sine, cos and tangent function in degrees using DESMOS software. So first of all, we check the unit of the angle from the setting. We have to convert it to degree, and in x-axis we write down from negative 400 to positive 400 in steps of 90, because multiples of 90 specify the cut points of the quadrants. And on y-axis we write down smaller values like negative 3 to positive 3 in steps of 1. We write down smaller values on y-axis because it will show us a proper graph. Okay, now we write down the function. The first function is sin x. Y is equal to sin x. Now we are mostly concerned with sine function from 0 to 360 degree, that is in first 4 quadrants. So we put a restriction here from 0 to, we are dealing with degrees here, so 0 to 360. You can see it shows us the graph from 0 to 360 degrees. Now the second one is cos function. Y is equal to cos x. We select from the functions. Now after writing down this function, we also put restriction here from 0 till 360 degrees to find out the function in first 4 quadrants. So we can see this blue curve here. Now the third function that we are willing to draw here is tangent function. Y is equal to tangent x, and we also put restriction here from 0 till 360 degrees. So that's how you can make sine, cos and tangent function in DESMOS software using degree unit.